Okay, so command tab is really cluttered. If I want to focus on, let's say, only these three apps, I can't. And let's say I want to focus on these three apps. Also, I can't. There's no concept of focus switching. So what I've done here is I've made this app. This is HopTab. What we can do here is we can create a profile. So I've created a coding profile, and now let's say I have selected that coding profile here. What I can do here is I can select Z, and I can also select, let's say, alacrity. And what I've done here is that if I close this and if I use option tab, I can switch between these two apps only. So alacrity, Z. I can also resize them using these uh, option key only. So if I do option tab and now I have selected alacrity and I press a right arrow key, it will snap alacrity to the right. And if I do the same for Z, it'll snap Z to the right side. Now, let's say I wanna, this is where and now I wanna, let's say, save this session here only. Like I want, whenever I open this coding session, I want alacrity to be here and Z to be here. So what I can do is save and close session, and I can just restore it, and they'll remember their original spaces, and this is how it will work. Now we can also adjust these settings using layouts. So here I can select Z, alacrity, just apply layout. It works. And let's say I also want to, let's say, I have window rules. So what I want to do is I want to always specify a rule. Let's say if Chrome is opened, I always want it to open on the left half side. So I can select when I want that to be applied. Let's say on launch or focus, I'll just add this rule. I'll open Chrome and see it works. Now you can also create multiple profiles. The whole point is to create multiple profiles. Let's say I create a research profile. Now what I can do is I can add research apps. So let's say I don't know. Let's say Chrome and Obsidian. Now I'll close this. Okay, now you'll see I have, if I press option backtick, I have two profiles now. Let's say I want to do something in research now. So I can just switch to that. Now option tab will show me the apps that were pinned in the research profile. So Chrome, Obsidian, and if I want to go back to coding, and if I do option tab now, it will show me the apps that were pinned in the coding section. So this is how it works. You can toggle between, and then you can toggle between the profiles and just like do your work. There are other stuff as well that you can, so all these things are configurable. You can choose any shortcut you want, and you can also play with your monitor. So if let's say I don't have any monitor right now, but if I want to connect any monitor and I want to basically select that, if that monitor is selected, if that monitor is selected, I should always have these profiles there. So I can select a profile and it'll automatically switch. And these were the window rules. Snapping, this is the size between the windows. These are the shortcuts. And yeah, these are the layouts. You can also create custom layout. Okay, so I have few more things that I'll probably can show. So you can also track your time here. In each profile, how much time have you spent? And you can also connect your calendars to this app. So what you can do is you can, let's say I've created this test event that will fire at around 11:15 p.m. Now what I've done is I've selected that it should switch to meeting profile. So I'll just do it again. I'll just go here, assign meeting. I'll also add a reminder notification. So here what it will do is it will remind me that the meeting is about to basically start. I can also do a time-based schedule. So if I do, let's say 11:16, I want it to switch back to, let's say, research. And I can select days, just add here. I can also do it on the basis of modes. Let's say if you select a work mode, so you want when you're working, it should switch to, let's say, research. And let's say when you're um, like in D&D mode, you want it to be, I don't know, meeting or something. So this is how it works basically. Now I'll just close it and I'll show you how it will switch to test event. Um, we still have 2 minutes, and I think we're uh, we're still in coding. Yeah, so I'll just fast forward it to 11:50. Yeah, see, there's a reminder that I was talking about. So from here, you can join meeting, or you can just do hide for now. So I'll do just hide for now. And when you click on join meeting, I'll just open the link. I'll just click on hide for now, and I'll just fast forward to 11:15. Should I switch? Oh, it did. It took some time, but it automatically switched to here. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how it works. Yeah.